Hello, today I'm here to introduce the steps required to ensure the optimal performance and extend the lifespan of Bobcat forklift. I'm Moon Jung, your host for today, and next to me we have senior expert Daniel Yu, a specialist in Bobcat forklift. Hello there.
Hello.
So first, let's talk about the inspection and replacement of the engine oil, the most basic oil that goes into cars, construction machinery, and forklift. Senior expert, what is the function of the engine oil?
Well, you can think of forklift engine oil as performing a role similar to the heart of the machine. Engine oil reduces friction inside the engine and plays an important role in dissipating the heat of internal components. This helps maintain the engine's performance at its best and allows for stable operation over a long period of time. Additionally, proper oil management helps reduce the occurrence of breakdowns and significantly extends the lifespan of a forklift. Therefore, proper management of forklift engine oil is very important and it must be regularly inspected and replaced.
I see. Then how often should you replace the engine oil of the forklift?
Generally, it is recommended to replace it every 500 hours or every 6 months. Now, however, this can vary depending on the model and the type of the engine oil. It is best to refer to the manual for detailed information.
So how do you inspect the engine oil then?
You should measure it 30 minutes after turning off the engine or when it is cold. Open the engine hood and pull out the dipstick in this part. If the engine oil is between these marks, it is okay. If it is low, you should refill it. The color is also an important checkpoint. If the oil is too dark or murky, that means that it is contaminated and it should be replaced.
Does that mean that the filter also needs replacement when changing the oil?
Yes, that's correct. It is good to replace the filter as well. If the filter is too dirty, it can cause problems with oil circulation.
So lastly, can anybody like myself, for instance, replace the engine oil themselves?
Yes, it is possible, but it requires professional knowledge and handling waste oil can be difficult. So it is safer to have it replaced by a mechanic.
All right, we now understand how important it is to manage forklift engine oil. By regularly inspecting and replacing engine oil, you can maintain the engine's performance at its best, reduce the occurrence of breakdowns, and extend the lifespan of the forklift. This also helps in long-term cost savings, so when operating a forklift, be sure to follow the recommended guidelines for inspecting and replacing engine oil. This has been an explanation of the engine oil maintenance for Bobcat forklift. We'll be back with more useful information next time. See you! Bye-bye!